What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to another adventure on Knuckles TV. I'm your boy Knuckles. You can't see me right now because I don't have a second POV right now, but I promise you, I am him. Today's adventure, man, is a special one, y'all. So special. So special. We are headed to the Harley dealership. And I'm not going to tell you what kind of bike I'm going to try to get. It's not a done deal yet, kinfolk, but I'm going to try to get a bike. And we're just going to have to see how it goes because I actually came up here before the beginning of the end of last week to talk to my salesman, Jimmy. So we talked about some stuff, and so now I'm headed back up there to see if we can work something out, man. So we only got a couple minutes away. We're all the way in Pasadena. I live in Houston, so Pasadena is not that far from me. We are going to San Jacinto, Harley Davidson. All right, so we'll be there in a couple minutes, so let's go. Oh, another thing, this is the scary part. Today is supposed to be a 60% chance of rain. As you can tell, it's beautiful out right now. So I'm hoping and praying that the rain will hold off until we get everything done, if it all goes well, and then I get back to the house because, yeah, that's going to suck if it doesn't. But anyway. And then another thing, my dumb ass, man, ended up leaving the house and forgot my dadgum key for the Harley, for Old Blue. So if we do end up working out a deal, man, I'm going to have to come back and bring him the key back. So, but that's all good, no worries. I can handle that. Give me just more time to ride the new bike if I get a new bike. So we'll see what happens, man. Here we are, San Jacinto, Harley Davidson. So let's go check it out.
I'm here, figuring out what we're gonna do. Look at all these bikes, man. Super stoked, man. Can't wait to see what's gonna happen. So we'll see what's gonna happen, man, and I'll get with y'all as soon as we find out. Well, kinfolk, I pulled the trigger, y'all. A 2019 Road Glide Special with the 114. Oh gosh. In that denim gray. I am super stoked. It's already got bars on it. And I can't believe it, man. I've actually got a trunk coming in for it, so I'm gonna have the trunk on it as well. But kinfolk, I'm so stoked. Old Blue is out, man. I apologize to everybody that loved Old Blue, but now we've got this one here. So I gotta give a big shout out, man, to my salesman JT over here at San Jacinto Harley Davidson. So if y'all ever need a bike, man, make sure y'all come check him out. It's over in the Pasadena area, and he was just super helpful, man. I don't know what to do, y'all. I'm freaking stoked. So again, kinfolk, a big shout out to Mr. JT here, man, over here at San Jacinto Harley Davidson. Like I said, if y'all ever want to catch a bike, man, come over here and check him out. He'll help you out. Where y'all located at?
Beltway 8 and out in Pasadena, man.
Out in Pasadena. So come give JT a holler, man, and he'll definitely hook you up. So,
absolutely.
And I don't know what else to say, man.
No, just come on, man.
You know what I mean? I appreciate it.
Yeah,
I appreciate
absolutely.
everything.
Make it easy.
He has helped me out so much, man. So y'all come get one because I'm gonna be out on the streets hitting it hard with this one. We'll see y'all later. All right, kinfolk. Well, I finally made it back to the house, man. And yeah, so here it is. Fuck, man, I'm so stoked. So stoked. So this is just gonna be the video of me getting the bike, man. The first ride video is gonna be coming up, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, ended up having to ride a little bit in the rain, but I made it through. So definitely gonna have to give it a wash now, but I gotta come up with a name too. I think I got one already, but I'm gonna have to see how it works out. Well, I'm gonna give y'all a little quick peek again, man, of the bike, and then that'll be it, kinfolk. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, man, and thank y'all for coming along with me to this awesome experience of getting my first brand new bike of any bike. So, and it to be a Harley Road Glide, I'm so blessed, man. So I appreciate it, kinfolk. Again, thank y'all. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out.